Hello and welcome to the C-Suite of the Open Video series with TLX Group. I'm Omar Kafagi, a Corporate Access Manager, and joining me today is Dan Legault. He's the CEO of Antibe Therapeutics. Antibe recently just graduated from the TSX Venture to the TSX. Dan, thank you for joining me and congratulations on your graduation.
Thanks very much, Omar. A pleasure to be here. And yes, we're very excited by our graduation.
So Dan, tell us, what is the problem that Antibe is trying to solve and why is it important?
We think we have solved a large and long-standing problem in medicine, that of the gastrointestinal safety of anti-inflammatory painkillers. These are common drugs like aspirin, Advil, naproxen, Celebrex. 1 billion people take these drugs around the world. Together with the opioids, they make up the vast majority of the pain market, itself the largest global drug market. The opioids have their own issues, of course, very well known, but so do the anti-inflammatories. They cause about gastrointestinal ulcers and bleeding in about 25% of people. Just a huge, huge problem. And we think that we have finally solved that after 50 years.
That's great. So Dan, what should investors look forward to in the next 12 months in terms of milestones that Antibe is looking to achieve?
We think it's going to be a very exciting 12 months coming up, and this is on the heels of a very exciting previous 12 months. In the past 12 months, we have finished our phase 2 program, which included 2 large phase 2Bs on pain efficacy and on GI safety, and they were they had excellent results. We also raised $29 million in a bot financing this summer, and we have fully validated that commercial opportunity, that $30 billion opportunity for if you can solve this problem. In the next 12 months, we will finish the preparations for and actually launch our phase 3 program, including having discussions with the FDA and the European Regulatory Agency. We will take our second drug, which targets the opioid crisis, and we will bring that into humans. We will accelerate partnering efforts for our first drug. That drug is now partner ready as we enter our phase 3s, and we are likely to uplist onto a major exchange in the United States to mirror our graduation to the TSX.
Definitely exciting times ahead for Antibe, Dan. How would you summarize the investment proposition for investors to convince them that it is in fact an attractive opportunity for them?
Well, sure. Now is the time, I think, that investors should be paying attention to us. More than a decade ago, we made a fundamental discovery in inflammation science, that hydrogen sulfide is the body's key manager of inflammation. I mean, quite fascinating when you think that hydrogen sulfide is a poisonous gas and was known for 100 years as a poisonous gas. But it turns out that every cell in our body makes hydrogen sulfide to act as a signaling molecule involved in managing inflammation and in cellular repair and cellular protection. We have leveraged that into a platform. It's given us 3 pipeline drugs and a whole series of candidates. And we're getting way up Mount Everest, as I like to say. Our lead drug for chronic pain is now partner ready. So we are looking for a strategic exit for that drug in the next 12 months. Our second drug, which targets the opioid crisis, will be brought into humans, into human trials. And we are likely to uplist to a major exchange in the United States to mirror our graduation to the TSX. We think that will unlock a significant shareholder value. So a very, very important near-term time coming up for us, Omar.
That's great. Well, Dan, thank you again for your time. And again, congratulations. We wish you all the best in the coming 12 months and beyond that.
Thanks very much, Omar. It's been a pleasure.